Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find GCD or HCF using recursion. This program will take two positive integers from user, then it will calculate GCD using recursion. Let's start the program. Declare the function getHCF. Declare two variables. Input first positive integer. Input second positive integer. Now call the function. Now define the function getHCF. If number 2 is not equal to 0, then the function will call itself, otherwise it will return number 1. For example, if number 1 is 15 and number 2 is 12, it means number 2 is not equal to 0. So the function will call itself. Now number 2 is 3 because it is the remainder that we got after dividing 15 with 12. Now number 1 is 12 and number 2 is not equal to 0. The function will again call itself. Now number 1 is 3 and number 2 is 0 because the remainder is 0 that we got after dividing 12 by 3. Now number 2 is equal to 0, so the function will return number 1, that is 3. So HCF of 15 and 12 is 3. Let's run the program. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe the channel.